Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best camping stoves in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System. While integrated stoves aren't the lightest backpacking option, they're by far the fastest and most convenient stoves. Among this stove type, the Jetboil Flash is one of the most affordable and dependable options. The Flash doesn't have simmer control, so it's best used for boiling water quickly, which tends to be all most backpackers need for dehydrated meals and morning coffee. If you're looking for simmer control and some other nice upgrades, check out the Jetboil MiniMo listed below. If you're looking for a quick and dependable backcountry stove, the Flash is an excellent option and solid budget buy. Start heating instantly with the convenient, reliable push-button igniter, and verify that the water's ready with the thermochromic color change heat indicator. Compatible Jetboil accessories, such as a coffee press, hanging kit, pot support, skillet, flux ring cooking pot, and utensils make this a necessity for your next backpacking adventure. Number 2. Our second best pick is MSR PocketRocket Camping and Backpacking Stove. The MSR PocketRocket 2 is a lightweight, compact, and durable stove that won't break your budget. This stove is a solid upgrade of MSR's popular PocketRocket stove, which has been a favorite in the backpacking community for many years. The PocketRocket 2 has great simmer control, packs down small, and boils water fast. While the PocketRocket 2 is not a full cooking system, MSR does offer it in a PocketRocket 2 stove kit. The MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is an upgraded version of the PocketRocket 2 stove. The Deluxe comes with a push-button igniter, a pressure regulator to help in cold temps and high altitudes, and a recessed burner head for improved wind performance. It's also offered in a PocketRocket Deluxe stove kit that comes with a pot, bowl, and pot lifter. Number 3. Our third best pick is Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil MiniMo is a complete cooking system that's just about as convenient and efficient as backcountry stoves get. The MiniMo is loaded with useful features including a sturdy handle, push-button igniter, excellent simmer control, and a stout shape that makes eating out of it easier. The MiniMo is slightly heavier and more expensive than some ultralight stove or pot combinations, but its speed, convenience, and stability make it exceptional for the backcountry. The Jetboil MicroMo is the same stove with a slimmer and slightly smaller pot to reduce weight. The Jetboil Flash is less expensive and also excellent, but it doesn't have simmer control. Powered by flux ring technology, the MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System, in adventure, reaches a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems. Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology offers incremental heat adjustments from light simmer to full boil. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Solo Stove Lite Camping Survival Backpacking Stove. The Solo Stove Lite is a double-wall natural convection inverted down gas gasifier stove. And what do all those fancy words mean? Who knows? What we can tell you is the Solo stove is incredibly efficient and effective. Air intake holes in the bottom of the stove feed the fire from below and above. The end result is a hot and less smoky burn that doesn't require a windscreen and won't scorch the ground under your stove. At 9 ounces, this stove isn't winning any weight prizes, but not having to carry fuel does help. Combine the Solo stove with the Solo Stove Pot 900 for a completely nested cooking system and more space in your pack. The Solo Lite is a good size for 1 to 2 people. For 2 to 4 people, bump up to the Solo Titan. For 4+ people, check out the Solo Campfire. The patented design features a unique double wall that creates ultra-clean gasification and a secondary combustion. This allows fuel to burn more completely and with less smoke. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is MSR WindBurner Camping and Backpacking Stove. The MSR WindBurner is another extremely convenient integrated stove system. The main advantage it has over the MiniMo is its excellent wind resistance. Stiff winds can greatly reduce stove efficiency, but that's not an issue with the WindBurner. We prefer the stout body shape and the superior simmer control of the MiniMo, but if you often backpack in exposed and windy locations, this stove might be a better fit for your adventures. Pick up the WindBurner Coffee Press Kit to elevate your backcountry brewing game. Compact, all-in-one stove and cookware solution features a secure locking pot for personal eat and drink mug with cozy. Radiant burner and heat exchanger deliver faster boil times and more fuel efficiency than conventional stoves that use convective heat only. Windproof performance, 100% primary air combustion, enclosed design and internal pressure regulator work together to make stove virtually impervious to outside conditions. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.